Welcome to Dominica. This is not Dominican Republic. It's a totally different country. There are two different destinations. Dominica is a beautiful Caribbean country which they called the nature island for a reason. Lots of untapped beaches, beautiful rainforests, lots of vegetation and fruitations. If you love the nature, Dominica is a place for you. Mo Verney on the move in Dominica. View from my bed right now, and right outside you can see the ocean and you can hear the ocean waves. Let me show you my own balcony and the view here. Yo, here at the Fort Young Hotel, this is where the restaurant is, and check it out, you can hear the ocean waves. And the best part is the check-in is actually beside the ocean waves. I mean, how often you're able to check in with a hotel with ocean waves beside it? It's pretty cool. Spoiler alert. At the Lobster Palace, when we ordered the pan-fried lobster, they first pull a prank on us because they only show us 1/2 piece of lobster. And one of the journalists asked, "Is that all we have?" And the server put on a poker face and said, "Yes, that's all you have." I was staring at this lobster and said, "Man, for $37.50 US, I only get 1/2." 5 minutes later, the server came with 2 plates of 6 to 8 pieces of half lobsters. What a surprise.
That's cruel. That's cruel.
That is a prank for us.
Me from you don't want to have one of those too?
Like that.
Oh,
We each get one, guys.
oh,
When you come,
oh,
I like that you.
oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so happy right now.
Bring that closer, Mike. Can you bring this closer?
Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh, I'm so glad I ordered this.
I told you when you get a plate to eat.
You guys decided to wake up early today. Walking out the Pagua Bay House and then check out the sunset here at about 5:30 a.m. It's worth waking up for. Get a coffee, get a water, and there's no much traffic noise. All you see is beautiful sunrise. It's like the sunny side of Bay. It's my favorite. Amazing. This place is phenomenal. A lot of nature. In a lot of destinations, you're not really encouraged to pick the fruits out of the forest or trees because you just don't know if these fruits are eatable or poisonous. But in Dominica, as long as you're with a very expert guide, we actually is very encouraged to check out these fruits. We see coconut, bananas, plantains, mangoes, avocado, you name it. So many different vegetation that you can just eat. It's crazy. It's amazing. Busy day. As you notice, there's no traffic light in Dominica, but the traffic people are actually pretty organized. They found their way, and they're good drivers. In the middle of nowhere, there's a little circle turnabout, and people actually remember to actually turn about this thing because there's no signs, and you might possibly didn't even know, and you go roll over it.
Damage your tires.
Can you believe this? This is my first time checking out a cricket stadium. I have no clue what it looks like. Wow, it's actually circular, 360. Cricket is super popular in the islands, and Dominica has its own national stadium. Entering to the local produce farmers market, that's what we call back home. But this is their everyday shopping spree. All the fresh produce. Oh man, I see pineapples. Ah, cool. Look at the pineapple, guy. You know, in a beautiful Dominica country, nature island, you gotta show up at the beach. And this beach is called the Mero Beach, M-E-R-O. What's so interesting is that, as we all know, this nature island has active volcanoes a long time ago. Last eruption, the volcano actually have built up this sand. And this sand is actually grayish black with some quartz looking in there because it looks like there are diamonds in there. It's bling bling. Really bling bling. Yo, so I was wearing a Raptors jersey, and this guy actually loved the Raptors.
I love the Raptors. Kawhi Leonard. He left the team for Siakam now.
Yes.
So,
oh, nice guy, Spicy P.
yeah.
Yo,
I love basketball. Yeah.
Dominica. Alright guys, this is Movernia the Move here in the nature island of Caribbean, Dominica. We're staying here at Pagua Bay House, and basically there are a number of cabana houses. Each unit is a different flavor, different arts, different structure. So this is my view from my room, and basically you wake up, at night, sunrise, everything, you get your own view like this, which is right in front of the ocean. And then there's also a chilling place here, and here is my crib. Come on down. So this is my room. Artistic flowers and decor, and then there's a fridge, and then there's a closet. It's my bed. There's art. There's the security box, air condition, and as you can see, is a very high ceiling. This cave tubing is actually one of my favorite highlights during my visit in Dominica. It's beautiful, the beautiful nature, the natural sunlight passing through into the cave. The water is calm, clean, there's no animals, no species, no monsters. It's just calm, you swim, and then suddenly at the end of the cave, you see the waterfall coming into the circular rock. It's beautiful, highly recommend it, and I will definitely think it's a must visit here in Dominica.